So amla or gooseberry is something that I only got into last year when my mom made this amazing chutney. It's crazy spicy but very delicious at the same time. And you can of course control the spice level, but you can't control how healthy amla is, and this is why you should have it today. It's loaded with vitamin C. It's great to help with digestion, reduce bloating, and then lower cholesterol levels, promote eye health because of all the vitamin A, and it has fiber. You can kind of tell by the texture of the chutney. And it's really amazingly easy to make. It shouldn't be that hard to find these gooseberries, but if you can't, check out your local Indian store. Now there's not much prep, just wash and clean the gooseberries, the green chilies, destem the chilies, and now some knife work for the gooseberries themselves. Now there's a hard black seed right in the middle of the gooseberry. And the best way that I found to de-seed it is to kind of just cut all around it like you do for an avocado actually, and then just take your knife and carve the flesh out until you have basically removed as much as you can and have the seed just left behind. Now you want to do the same thing with the rest of the amlas, and now we can head over to our blender where you can dump in your cilantro, and here I have all the other gooseberries that I had fleshed out, literally with my chilies and my garlic. Add that all in the blender, a touch of water, and now puree it until super smooth. Now you only want to add a touch of water and add a bit more at a time just to get those blades moving. While you're tasting this, to adjust for salt, by the way, just have a very tiny pinky sized portion. I use like 7-8 chilies in here. It's gonna blow your head off kind of spice. And I don't know what the gooseberry does exactly to amplify that same spice, but it's like a very delicious spice which starts off with this subtle sweetness and then it just becomes intensely spicy all over your mouth. So look for that in the little pinky sized portion as you adjust for salt, and this now is ready for you to enjoy with literally anything. You can have this in sandwiches with dal, rice. Here are some parathas that are stuffed with cauliflower, so gobi paratha basically, aloo parathas, really whatever you want. Enjoy this, and I'll see you on the next one.